everyone, good morning. Before I tell you about my past, let me introduce myself. My name is Ismail Siregar from the Morning Management Class C, Semester 5. Okay, let me tell you about my past. Moved from my hometown in Depok, West Java to Pematang Siantar. The beginning of the move was around 2010 when I was 5 years old. At that time at 4 a.m. my little self was sleeping soundly. Suddenly woke up by my mother. At that time my mother said that we want to go to my grandmother's house for only 2 weeks. We left at 5 a.m. by car to the terminal. My parents caused bus transportation to go to my grandmother's house. After arriving at the terminal, we immediately went to the bus that was waiting to depart. The trip from Depok to Medan took 4 days and 4 nights. The first day, the bus trip we took went smoothly until we reached the port of Merak, Banten. The first time I rode a ship at the time I was still 5 years old, it was exciting, but I didn't do much at that time. But that first experience was quite interesting because I could enjoy the beauty of the sea and also what I feel like to walk on water but with something protection me. Finally, we arrived at Bakauheni port in Lampung, and the bus continued its journey. On the second day, we arrived in Jambi City, the border between West Java and South Sumatra. There, the bus we were riding had engine problems and had to stop on the side of the road. It stopped for quite a long time, about 2 hours. Finally, our bus continued its journey. In the evening, we arrived in Padang City and I saw a little of Padang City's iconic landmark, the Jam Gadang. At the time, I thought this was the biggest clock in the world. On the third day, the bus we were riding arrived in Pekanbaru City, Riau. At exactly 2 p.m., our bus had problems again and again, which almost made us lose our lift because suddenly the rear tire of the bus was punctured, making the bus unstable. Fortunately, the driver who drove the bus was professional, so that was also on my experience while riding the bus, experiencing an incident that almost made our lives as passengers lost their life. Finally, on the 4 days, we arrived in Medan at 7 a.m. and we wait for a relative who would pick us up to go straight to Pematang Siantar. After a 3 hour journey, finally I arrived in Pematang Siantar, my grandmother's place. That was a little bit of my past experience that made me confused and happy. Because why? Because from the beginning, my mother said we will only go to my grandmother's house for 2 weeks. But until now, we haven't returned to our original house. It turned out of my mother lead to my. That's enough of the story I can share. I hope it's entertaining. Thank you so much to watching and see you later. Bye bye.